Hello viewers. So I just decided to actually make a video. Scroll testnet. There are a lot of things you guys are missing out, which I think you guys need to really see it in a video. So that's why I had to just make a video on this. Especially most people are missing the wait list, which you're supposed to claim. So I'll show you from steps to step from beginning to the end. So the first thing you need is to come to this you can see the URL here. That's this site. So once you come here, you will see something like I think the first thing you need to do is to add to meta there is oh I've forgotten there's an option here before this add to metamask. That's the first thing you need to click once you come to this page. All the steps I'll drop them in the video description section so that you can have access to the links and every other instruction you need to follow. So after that, you click on add to MetaMask. I've done that already. You can see say you already on scroll layer one testnet. So now after doing that, the next thing you need to do is to add TSUSDC token on layer one testnet, which is click on add to MetaMask. That add to MetaMask, that's where the URL is. So it's highlighted, purple. So just add token. If you remember, in the first time we did scroll before they cleared the wallet, this option was not there. So now they've added some new features. So we need to do everything so that we can qualify for their airdrop. So now this is for layer two. You do the same thing for layer two. Just click on add to MetaMask. Once you do that, a lot of people complain that my videos are always long. My problem is the thing with me is I don't want to make a video that people will end up getting confused. I would rather do a video that everyone will understand and the aim of and goal of the video will not be defeated. So that's why sometimes you see my video getting a bit long. So instead of just doing a video that I won't even talk to anyone, I won't say anything, you won't even get to know what I'm doing. You just only see what I'm clicking on the PC. Doesn't make sense to me. So that's why I had to just choose this option. So as you can see, we've done all the add to MetaMask and every other thing. So the after you've done all that, you need a faucet. That's the token, the test token for us to use to do transactions on the chain. So click on faucet, which is this. You can actually use phone to run scroll testnet. You can use phone. I used phone as well. I used phone earlier, so I'm just using this so that it will be a big screen and it will be easier for everyone to understand. So he said my wallet is connected to an unsupported network. So I need to change my network to scroll, which is layer one. I need to switch to layer one. If you like, you can just click here instead of opening MetaMask. You can just click here. So it will ask you to switch. Then you switch. You can see it's now showing scroll layer one testnet. So now you request for scroll tokens. So wait while they give us the tokens. So you just pass the board test. Just go. I think he said containing a sunflower. Okay, these are sunflowers. With those sunflowers. Yeah, those are sunflowers. So you see, they asked me to wait. So this is what I'm getting: one SETH and 100 TUSDC. So after getting this, what do we do next? We breach. The next thing to do is to breach. So wait for the tokens. Is the token as the token dropped? Come in, let me check the faucet again. It's done. Sometimes it takes little time before it will reflect in the wallet. So let me just come back and check. So you can see now it has reflected. You don't really need to do anything. It's not as if I did anything. You just need to be patient a bit so it will drop. So now just swap some of the ETH you have here. I will advise you to swap around 0.8 because we will need some amount to claim on I'm coming. We need to claim what's it called? The wait list, and I think it's 0.5 ETH. So just to be on safe side, so that we'll be able to do everything, just swap bridge at least 0.8 s TSCTH. So to layer two because that's where we'll be claiming our faucet. It says something went wrong. So let me just clear. and give it again, give it a go once again. 0.8. Click on send. Send to scroll layer 2. Let's wait for confirmation. Yeah, we come here. I know a lot of people did not really do the wait list part, because in my group I dropped the wait list part later. So I know some people might have missed it one way or the other, or they might not even understand what they were supposed to do. So with this video, I believe you all know what to do right now. So just watch, just pay attention. Just make sure you pay attention to the end so that you don't miss out anything. So now we'll just hold on a bit. It doesn't take too long. It doesn't take too long. So just wait. Even my mobile phone, it didn't take me a long time before I was able to complete it. So as you can see, after clicking bridge, after going to bridging this 0.8, so now it's still showing pending, but it has already reflected in the swap section. You can see this is 0.8 here. So all you need to do is just to swap again. Just click on swap. Just swap to USDC. Swap. Don't swap more than 0.1. So that, because we will need some of the ETH later. So just swap 0.1. Just swap it. Swap. Pop up for us to confirm transaction. Confirm your transaction. Confirm again. So once we swap, we will be done with, you can see, after you swap, we are done for this particular part, though it's still showing pending, but it's already swapped. You can see the balance has reflected here. So sometimes don't just ignore this pending part. Most important thing is for your transaction to have to show on the Explorer that your transaction took place. That's the evidence that you participated in the testnet. That's what serves as evidence. So now I know most of us, this is where most of us stopped. So now I will show you the waitlist part where you go for scroll name service. That's their SNS. They have SNS. So as you can see, the swap is okay. I just checked now and found out that the Google form scroll has been closed just now. But I still don't think that should be a reason for you to give up. I've not been able to check their Discord. Their Discord should be somewhere around here. I have their, you can see the Google form just now. So their Discord is somewhere around here. If you can't drop on on the Google form, I will advise you just go and just drop your wallet address in their, what's it called, Discord page. If you have the Discord page, you can just go there. If you don't have the Discord page, you can get it from their Twitter account. I think I used to have it. I would have just posted it here. It seems I did not even have. I actually removed most of my. I left most of these Discord groups. I have two more groups, so I had to leave. So now the next thing we need to do after this, we are done with virtually all the things we need to use right here. So now the next thing I expect us to do is to go claim the name service. Even if you miss this, at least don't joke with the name service. So about the name service, this is the link to the name service. Just connect your wallet. Just leave your wallet on. I think we are to use layer 2. So you see the reason why I asked you to actually use to swap 0.8 ETH. So here, just click on this. Okay, this is the wallet I use. Then connect wallet. So once you connect wallet, you can see wallet is connected. So step one, they said request scroll testnet. So we already have the testnet. So the two is to claim ticket and share. So you can claim and share with others. So now click on step 2. I'm already done with step 1. So I'll just claim tickets. Claim tickets. Just click on claim tickets. Supposed to ask you pop up your wallet for you to approve transaction. So it's still showing start minting. Okay, I think the reason why it's been like this is because we need to join the Discord. I was trying to avoid that. I was trying to dodge that. So that's another way of you getting access to their Discord to drop your um, wallet, just as a feedback of testnet. So just join. Sorry guys, I don't think it's the Discord that was the issue. I think it was my internet connection. So let's just try again. Let's try click on claim ticket once again. I'm here to join the Discord on Twitter. So you can see it popped up. It was my internet that was misbehaving because I knew I never joined the Discord and where I was able to finish everything quite well. So now just click on confirm. If you confirm, you should be able to claim your wait list. Just click on confirm once again. Insufficient what? What's this one? I have okay. It said means success. You can see. So the first one I clicked, it actually went through. So if you want to invite others, you can just invite them. So that's all you need to do for the test net. So we wish you the best, guys. So for now, see you in my next video. Watch out for some more interesting videos I'll be dropping very soon. So I wish you all the best, guys. Bye.